Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are delegation from Al-Islam Boarding School. We will present the research with the title The Prevention of Bullying to Support Zero Violence Education in Modern Al-Islam Islamic Boarding School.
Bullying behavior is a social problem that occurs especially in the world of education. Bullying behavior itself is an act of using power to hurt a person or group of people verbally, psychically, and psychologically, so that the victims feel pressured, traumatized, and helpless. Based on preliminary observation that we made of grade 10, 11, and 12 at Al-Islam Islamic Boarding School, there are indications of cases of bullying committed by students, like making one of students as a joke in front of her friends, also sometimes using her as a messenger, even being used as an emotional target, and those that are still hidden. The purpose of this research is to describe how bullying occurs at Al-Islam Islamic Boarding School and to find out how preventive and repressive efforts to minimize or even eliminate bullying to support zero violence education in modern Al-Islam Islamic Boarding School environment.
We use descriptive qualitative research. Why is this method? Because it is in accordance that the problem is the focus of our research this time. With this method, we can also get actual results.
The effort of Islamic boarding school in the concept of preventing bullying to support zero violence education in modern Al-Islam Islamic boarding school environment are carried out through the 40 treatment, touch, teamwork, and action effort. The first effort is treatment. This treatment aims to provide insight into theories or material and detail about the concept of bullying. Treatments carried at Islamic boarding school to prevent bullying are by conducting seminars, outreach in the form of small group, mentoring, motivation before teaching and learning activity, the Looking Glass Self, and holding the ESQ program. With this program, it hopes that bullying can be minimized or even eliminated so as to achieve zero violence education. The second effort is one of the efforts of prevent bullying, namely touch. It's by taking a personal approach so that it can touch the heart and strengthen mentally. Things that are done by the boarding school include the existence of counseling guidance program, rewarding, face-to-face personal approach, and guardianship. The last effort, namely teamwork and action.
To realize zero violence education in the existence of motivational and anti-bullying posters that are posted in several strategic places.
It's one of the last efforts to reduce and eliminate bullying at Al-Islam Islamic boarding school.
Based on the result of interview with head of the dormitory and classroom, to prevent bullying, good cooperation is needed with one another, namely peer counseling, which is intended for when students do not dare and are embarrassed, is to make a peer counselor in the boarding school itself known as Munadabah, who always accompanies students when they are in class or in the dormitory. Not much different from the WASTUR, structural supervisional program activities whose members or parties involved are not only from 1 unit. The existence of a boarding school culture that is built now as the corporate culture, Shari, all out, teamwork, solidarity, and zero defect, and 5G goal, which is submerged in our boarding school target.
As for the conclusion from the research we conducted, it is true that in Al-Islam Islamic boarding school there are indications of cases of bullying, both verbally and psychically. The effort made by the boarding school are summarized in 40: treatment, touch, teamwork, and action effort. With this effort, the bullying cases in modern Al-Islam Islamic boarding school are decreasing day by day. It can be proven that almost 82% of students have started to dare to speak up when they become victims of bullying.